Hey, welcome back to DIY Willy. Today we've got the 2008 Nissan Frontier in the driveway, and well, it needs new LED or new headlight bulbs. And recently a company had reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to try their bulbs. This is NovSight, I believe is how you say it. These are the 9007 bulbs for the Nissan Frontier, and well, we're gonna give them a shot. The bulbs that were in here have been in here for a while, and I don't remember the brand they are. I see that this one is damaged slightly. The little deflector that's in the front looks like it's moved. I don't know, maybe when I get to the backside I can fix that. Also, I just noticed that there's quite a bit of moisture in this one from the recent rains that we've had. Yeah, quite a bit of moisture. These aftermarket lenses are notorious for getting moisture on the backside. But we'll get the box open, and we'll get these new bulbs installed. Now, I have a video before on how to install the lights on these Nissan Frontiers. I'm not going to go through it again. We're just going to take a look at the bulbs real fast, and then I'll install them, and we'll show them operating. Hopefully I can get a picture tonight of when it's dark, and they'll be able to see how bright they are in comparison to these. I did not get a previous picture or a shot of these working. One of them is failing already, and it may be due to that deflector over there in the bulb. But let's get these opened up, and we'll get them checked out. NovSight. Adventure is calling is their motto or logo. Manufactured Neverland Network Technology Company Limited. Gives their address, email, phone number, contact. Yeah, a bunch of other stuff on the information right there. And NovSight. I like the box, it's kind of nice. Let's see what we got inside. Very simple. Just some instructions on installing them. Little fold out. Yeah. Gives some directions on how you're supposed to place the bulb for the best reflection, I guess. And also it has a cooling fan on it, so you want to make sure the cooling fan is open or exposed. It's got some warranty service type information and product specification. These are 100,000 hour, give or take 100,000 hour bulbs lifespan. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, all right, take a look at the bulb. Packaging is very simple as to what comes with these bulbs normally. A box with the formed styrofoam in there. Here's the bulb itself. Got some good weight to it. It's got a cooling fan on the front right there. That's kind of an odd place to have it, but it's got a cooling fan right on the front. Normally they're in the back. And of course the plug on the back. It's got some good weight to it. The LEDs look nice. Yeah, O-rings there. Let me get these installed. Yep, look complete on both sides. All right, before this garbage man makes all the noise. So down in here is where the bulbs go, and we'll have to take the battery out to have better access to that tight spot down there. It's actually right down there. I don't know if you can see my finger, but yeah, we take the battery out, we'll get down there. On the driver's side over here, the bulb is right there, and we got to take the air box out to get to those bulbs. There's a little bit of work here to get this job done. I'm not going to show it. Like I said, I'm not going to show it. I'm just going to get it done and show you when the bulbs are back in. Okay. All right, so I've got the install done. The lights work. They work pretty good. Kind of hard to see them in the daytime. I'll turn them on right now and show you, but it's kind of hard to see them in the daytime. Everything's put back together. The right there at the battery, the air box. I had to remove all that to get access to the bulbs themselves. Were really hard to do it without it. and they're really long, so they're kind of hard to get in there. Anyway, like I said, it's done. I didn't show how it was done. I have that in other videos, and I'll leave it down in the description somewhere. My other videos that show installing these lights. So now I guess I'm gonna wait till later tonight when I get off work, and I'll turn them on in the dark, and we'll see how much brighter they are. I don't have a comparison during the daytime from the old bulbs, but they were already starting to go out anyway. So let's check them out right now. There they go. You can hear the fans swirl up on them. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but I hear it. Yeah, they look pretty good. Like I said, we'll check them out tonight in the dark, where we can get a better look at them and see how well they perform. All right, I'll see you then. Hey, so this is a nighttime shot. It's the best I could do to show the lights at night. And they're really bright. I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. Now this one is all still got water in it. And the only way that I know of to take the water out is to remove the light and put alcohol in there and shake it around, let it dissipate the water. But for the lights, they look really good. I'm liking that. You can tell the water on this side compared to the other side. But yeah, I'm liking that a lot. Nice and bright. Now I was having a problem with the lights before. That's why we went to change them. And yeah, these guys stepped up and we got it. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. I used to give it a shot down the street, but it's about 1 o'clock in the morning and I don't have time to do that. I don't want to wake up the neighborhood. All right, so I've moved inside. I didn't want to talk too much outside and have the lights on, disturbing the neighborhood. So yeah, this turned out really good. This install of the NovSight LED headlights. These are the 9007 version, and they went right in place, no problem at all. Fit right in, plugged right in. The plugs were perfect. It worked. You saw the lights right now on the truck as I turned them on. They're nice and bright. Obviously, unfortunately, we have water on the passenger side, but hey, that's all right. We'll deal with that later. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and please check out NovSight for their products they have, and they have lots of other products too, as well as off-road lights and chargers and all kinds of things. Check them out. And well, always come back to DIY Willy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.